looks good. Damn, I wish I had hair. I'd do this too. Man, this is great. I have all the tools laid out, so everything you need is right there. That way you don't have to look for the size of the guards. They're all right there. The only thing I'm not familiar with is what these are. Huh. Hair product. Won't be needing this anymore. Today's the day. He's gonna get a haircut. Yeah! Do you realize that I'm the one that's going to be cutting it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you still excited?
Yeah.
Do you want a haircut like mine?
No.
Alright. Sure about that?
100% sure.
Okay. You know how many people's hair I've cut?
Only yourself, I believe.
That's right. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
I hope you're this excited afterwards.
I hope so too.
All right, we're gonna go with guard number 8. Here we go. And what you want to do is go up right here to the occipital bone. It's an outward motion. What are you doing?
Good way.
Yeah.
I'm harmonizing with the thingy.
With the clippers?
Yeah.
Just like that. And if it's not short enough, we can go back and get a different guard. So fun. I remember these days. I think we can go shorter. Tilt your head. That was good. All right, we decided it wasn't short enough, so we're gonna go with a 7. When I say we decided, it's me. Eventually, we're gonna take all these and go cardless. Kidding. Here we go. You still? What are you thinking right now?
Nothing really.
Nothing really? That's good.
I'm just thinking about how my haircut's gonna look like when this is finished.
That's cool. It's gonna look awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope it looks better than it did before I got the haircut.
It will. I can tell you that. Okay. If not, I have lots of hats for you. Can you tilt your head? The other way? Close your eyes. Good job. You know what? My back hurts. It's so funny. This is my first customer. I already have a hurt back. I gotta give it up to people that really do this for a living. It's like I'm like getting all weird and turning their head. It's this is not. I am careful.
Just be careful that I don't. Just be thankful that didn't get in my face.
Okay. Yeah. I know. We don't want to. Yeah. Oops. Your eyelashes are.
You cut off my eyelashes?
No, I was joking.
Cool.
Okay. Tilt your head back. There you go. That's good. Be still. Close your eyes. Okay, now this is a 3. I went from a 5 to a 3. We're going to taper it. I just do this at the very end. See, look, just like that. Just like that.
What's so funny?
I've never seen any hairstylist put their hand on someone's head like that.
Try it again. Are you still filming?
Yes.
You want to use 2 hands. No, don't do that. You still? Okay. Let me do the sides. Oh yeah, see? Are you harmonizing with the clipper?
I'm singing an octave lower.
Oh, okay.
That's doing B flats here. Then I dropped down to a B flat 1, then B flat
Oh, this is
0.
what they do when they cut your hair and they bend your ears all around. I get it now. And they tilt your head that way? Yeah, I get it. I always wonder why they did that.
Hey Mom, just make sure not to get into my camera either. What?
You still. Oh, that looks good. Damn, I wish I had hair. I'd do this too. Man, this is great. All right. Wait for pick your chair up and turn this way. Tilt your head that way. All right. Look towards me. Look towards me, not tilt. Just kind of look. There we go. Tilt your head the other way. Tilt your head the other way. The other way. Right there. Perfect. There we go. Do a little of this. Okay, here we go. Just trim it very. This is cool. Look at this. No guard protecting you. I like that sound. Sounds like something's happening.
Don't touch me.
All right. Turn your chair. Okay. You still look that way. Close your eyes. They always say close your eyes because they don't want you sneaking and peeking in the mirror where you're like, what?
It's also so you can't get hair in the way, by the way.
All right, now we have scissors and a comb. And from what I've seen on the internet, this shouldn't be that hard. So let's find out, shall we? Okay, look that way. You just want to pull the hair out just like that, just a little bit. You don't want to go crazy. Just like this. Just like, they say half an inch. Just half an inch. Just so it's not short and then long on top. Now, what happened is he cut his hair himself about 3 weeks ago. So that's why it's kind of, doesn't need that much of a haircut on top. But we go like this, we just kind of pull it out. Going about a half an inch on top. Just like that. And from the instructor videos I saw, here, turn around, Austin. Face the camera. What they would do is they would take a section of hair right here and go half an inch. And then you take another section, half an inch. And another section, half an inch. So on and so forth. And just like when you mow the lawn, you don't just go, you want to go, and then the second time you want to go this way. So his hair's kind of looking like that. Like that's kind of what we're going for. We'll do more. We'll trim it up a little more. We'll wash it, but this is pretty much the look. What do you think, son?
I think it looks. Wow, I feel good. You know what I want? Bam, 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 bam. So good, so good. I got you. Oh, oh. They'll come later. But you get the idea.
I guess he hates it. You made me nervous when you scream like that.
Read my about section if you want to know more.
He's doing it behind the scenes on his own camera. I'm glad he liked it though.
Thanks.
Cool. This is my favorite part. I love this part. This is where they call it lining up. You gotta line it up. Line it up. This is easy, I think. I mean, or it could be not easy, but look, see, look at that. See, before, after. Gotta line it up. Make sure that line's straight. Be very still. This is my favorite part. Look at this. This, all that hair, look at this. You just take it right off. Perfect. Okay. Make sure I line it up. They used to always ask me, do you want it squared or rounded? Do you want it square or rounded? No, tapered. I forget what they would say. They would just start, they would ask me.
Square or rounded.
Yeah, that might be fingernails, square or rounded. It was something about, do you want it squared or like tapered? You want it tapered or squared? Do you want it tapered or squared?
What does that mean?
Well, we're just going to go tapered. I think it means where it kind of comes to a point.
Yeah, let's go tapered.
Okay, cool.
Whatever that means.
Oh, let me
I
get
think
this
that
side.
might
Be
be
still.
different.
Oh yeah, get the sideburns. Look at that. Gosh. Man, I think, you know what though? I think anybody could cut your hair and make it look good.
Thanks.
Look at that. That's good.
Except for one person.
Alright, no names, no names.
Austin Carter.
Oh, yourself. Okay. Okay, that's true. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so that's good. Tapered it. Wow. I think I just got a new gig for myself.
Oh, and another person too, and his name's Austin Carter.
Oh, it's all you?
No, actually that part, I'm going to reverse it so it sounds like a different person.
Oh, cool. All right.
You got swish, 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 swish. Check me, backpack boy. I've been fasting.
All right, cool. Where's the scissors? We did it!
When the saints go marching in, when the saints go marching in, oh Lord, I want to be in the when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh Lord, I want to be in the number when the saints go marching in.